Hello guys, welcome to the video. I have been getting a lot of questions on what stocks I currently hold at the moment, so I decided to make a quick video outlining the stocks I currently own. Keep that in mind that I am not a financial advisor, and nothing on my channel or in this video should be taken as financial advice. This is not a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell any of your positions. So with that being said, let's get started. My biggest position is Apple at 33%. My second biggest position is Amazon at 13%. And my third biggest position is Roku at 10%. I've been a long time shareholder of Apple and Amazon. Roku is one of my newer additions to my portfolio. My fourth biggest position is Alphabet, the parent company of Google, at 8%. My next biggest position is Facebook at 7%. Tesla comprises 6% of my portfolio. Baozun also makes up 6% of my portfolio. Recent addition is Iqiyi at 5%. 3% of my portfolio is Tencent Holdings. Also 3% is JD.com. Also 3% is Ferrari. I really like their ticker symbol. It's race. My next position is Align Technologies at 2%. This is the parent company of Invisalign, who makes those invisible braces for people. And my smallest position is GoPro at 1%, which is a good thing as the company's not doing its best. So let's just leave it at that. So that is my stock portfolio. Let me know in the comments if you currently own any of the stocks discussed in the video. I will continue to buy and sell stocks, so my positions would change. I do think that the percentage allocated will change over time, and I plan on making periodic videos updating you guys on the stocks that I own. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below and subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.